happening?
I'm on my face.
What are we playing today?
Plumber Pants.
Plumber Pants. Look. Oh, so cool. Look at this game. Look at that. Wait, you want to open it?
Yes, please.
Let's open it.
Whoa.
Let's get everything out.
Right.
Okay, sit. Help me.
We have Plumber Pants.
Whoa, so much stuff. Look at that.
That's the
What's
plumber.
that? Whoa.
Look.
It's pants. Underwear.
Wow.
Whoa, look at that. So much stuff here.
Oh, this is so cool. Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, what do we have here? Look at that.
This is so cute.
Whoa.
Look, underwear. Wait.
I need to rebuild it. Come on, put it here. Wait, I think we'll need to put some water there.
On there?
Water, yeah.
Well, how?
We'll see, I don't know. Whoa, so cool.
Is this the some kind of fish?
I don't know. Whoa.
I'll open it down, okay? That's the Plumber Pants.
See? This is comes here, I think. Yeah, give me this one. This one comes here. Yeah, like this. Like this.
Oh, you see that?
Okay. Oh. Now, this one comes from the top. Here. Oh. And this one is here for his tools. Yeah? Yeah, it's for his tools.
This is
Like this. Look. Oh. I think it's ready. Now open the tools. We'll need to fill some water, I think.
Oh, the water's put in here.
Look at all the tools.
Oh.
Whoa.
This is the tool. This is the fun.
Come on, sit. Sit.
Look. I'll put it here, guys.
Okay. Now let's read the instructions. Okay, we need to fill some water here, right?
Right here.
Okay, let's pour some water. Careful. Help me. No. No. Let's fill some water. Careful, not to spill. Wait, more. Oh, that's it. I think we spilled a little. Okay. Now we need to. Okay. Okay. Okay, look. Let's put all of these tools here. No, not inside, but here. No, wait. Okay, now your turn. You need to take one of the tools and put it on his belt, but careful, okay? Put it. No, not like you see the hook here. You need to put. Yes. Oh no! No, you need to do it carefully. Look, like this. Look, I put it here. Up.
Whoa!
Now your turn.
Okay.
With the hook. No, where's the hook?
Wait.
Yeah. Don't push up. No. Ah, you're pushing it down. No.
Oh, this is it. Oh!
What is happening?
I'm on my face.
Okay, let's play. Let's try this again. Okay, take one of the tools.
I will put a green one.
Okay, green one. And put it carefully. Don't push it down. No, with the hook. Adam, where's the hook?
Right here.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. No, you're pressing it down.
Sorry.
You need to be careful. Yeah. Like this. Nice job.
That.
Let's do this one. Yellow one.
He's
Careful. Oh no! What?
Is it wet? Whoa.
What is that?
Oh.
Okay, your turn.
What? Oh, this
It sprays all around. No, no. Okay, take one.
I want to take a red one.
Red one, okay, but carefully with the hook, carefully. No, don't. You're pressing down.
So
Don't.
do it.
Try again. No, with the hook. Yeah. Oh, almost. You see? Oh, like this.
Ooh, that's turn.
My turn. Okay. I'll try the blue hammer.
Then the 100.
I'll put it here. Oh,
Ooh.
your turn.
What? I
Okay, careful. Oh no!
Then she went.
Oh no!
Oh, for everywhere.
It's everywhere. Okay, press it down. Okay, now choose your color.
Oh, choose red.
Red. Okay.
Red.
Careful. You're pushing it down.
Sorry. Oh.
Adam, don't push it down. Try again. No, you're pushing it down.
Anywhere.
Oh, yeah. Oh. So let's try together. Okay. Like, no, don't push it down. Like this. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, but it spins her. Green one. Ah, let's try it here. You see? From the sides. Yeah. Let's see. Oh no! Come on, sit. Oh no! Uh-oh.
It's for the floor.
Uh-oh, it's all wet now.
On face.
Try careful with the hook on the side, yes.
I
Oh,
just-
nice job.
That's right. Wait a minute.
Let's put it here. Oh no! What is... You won?
No.
I don't know. This pen's just dropped
I want
right away.
the tap.
Okay. Oh, careful. You need to press hard.
I want the face.
No, careful. Try to put this one. Oh. Oh no!
Yay!
What?
I won!
Okay, give me a high five.